Well, hello there, friends. 1 million I've made of those fettuccine Alfredo. I'm going to show you how to make it. Remember, thumbs up if you like the video, subscribe to this channel, and ring that bell. Stay tuned. We're going to make it together right now. Well, hello there, friends. Let me share with you a recipe that I made over 1 million times. Wait until you test it, and wait until you see how simple it is, friends. Fettuccine Alfredo. I made millions of those. Let me tell you, millions. I made over 1 million of it for sure in my last 50 years as a chef. It's an amazing and simple recipe like you're not going to believe it. All it takes is 3 ingredients. Pasta, Parmigiano Reggiano, and cream and black pepper. That was 4. We got hot water going on over there. We're going to put salt. I'm going to tell you about it. Put a little salt in there, the water. Look, see? Oh, yeah. The pasta is now happy. We're going to cook it very quick. Now, let me tell you about something, friends. You know I'm half Italian, half French. There is no Italian in this recipe, okay? I know it's got Alfredo, he's an Italian dude that had a restaurant in Rome, and he made a pasta similar to this, but it didn't have any cream in it. And then the Italian then went to America, made it for the American. And in America, we love cream. So this is the way we used to make it. And the way I'm sharing it with you is the way I want you to make it. If you want to make it the same way that I made it in my restaurant all those years, my friends. It's amazing. I promise you, you're going to love it. And it's very simple. Heavy whipping cream then is reduced to the right consistency and thickened with Parmigiano Reggiano. It's really that simple. Parmigiano Reggiano. You put it in the sauce, in the cream. You mix it up. Now, we don't need to put any more salt in there, friends, because we got the salt in the cheese. We got the salt in the pasta water. That's all we need. All we need to do now, at this point, is to bring the consistency of this cream to where it stays on top of the pasta. Now, you have a lot of people, the Italian especially, they tell you, you know, this is not Italian. You're right, it's not Italian. So it doesn't make you special to make it because you're Italian. You could be Chinese, French, Japanese, it doesn't matter. What religion, of course. Where do you come from? You can make a fettuccine Alfredo however you want. Some people put eggs, some people put different cheese in it. Pecorino Romano. Pecorino Romano is wonderful, but it's a little too salty for me. So Parmigiano Reggiano is a perfect cheese. And you see, look, it's thickening. It's thickening. Now, what pasta can we use? Well, fettuccine is more standard. It's more standard to use fettuccine, but you can use tagliatelle, you can use pappardelle, which is a large fettuccine. Whatever pasta you use, friends, it's up to you. There's no right or wrong or what pasta you use. It's whatever makes you happy. That's what's important. When you have a fresh pasta, friends, it's only going to take about 3 minutes. So if you start the cream and the cream started to thicken, you know that's all you really need, friends. You see right there, look, starting to thicken. You see? That's what we want. That's all we want. The cheese is melting beautifully, okay? Remember now, you have to use Parmigiano Reggiano. Don't go over, do me a favor, please. If you're buying that stuff in a green box, do yourself a favor, friends. Go and get yourself a pound or a half a pound of Parmigiano Reggiano. 24 months, 36 months. Buy whichever one you can afford, and I promise you, you'll do it. One time, you'll never go back to that green box. I promise you, friends. This is completely, it doesn't even taste like the same thing in a green box. Okay, friends? Look, you see? Look. You see that cream? You see that cream, friends? Now, what the Italian will do is they do, like when they do for the carbonara, where they put a little bit of pasta water in there. We're going to do that as well, a little bit of pasta water. But the sauce is made with a cream, okay? The sauce, I make it. That's the way I make it. That's the way I made it in my restaurant. That's the way I made it in my school. That's the way I made it in my whole career. Okay? And the pastas are done. Remember, they only take a few minutes, friends. Fresh pasta, that is, okay? Otherwise, if you're using a dry pasta, which is nothing wrong with it, using a dry pasta, but a dry pasta is going to take about 10 minutes to cook, depends the brand you're using, okay? But the fresh pasta, and right there, friends, I have about 8 ounces of pasta, which is perfect for 2 servings right there. Okay, leave some of the pasta water. Not to worry. Leave some of the pasta water in there, friends. Okay? Leave some of the pasta water right there. Yes, sirree. Right there. Right there, you got a fettuccine Alfredo, friends. Yeah. And then we're going to put some extra fettuccine, some extra cheese right there. And then we're going to put a little more cheese at the end. And this, friends, is amazing. Take all the water out. You can continue cooking it just a little bit. And this, my friends, I'm going to put it in my bowl right there. Some people said, oh, this is just an appetizer. Well, it's supposed to be an appetizer, friends. It's supposed to be just an appetizer. We can take a ladle and take some of the pasta in there, put it in a ladle, and twist it around and turn the heat off. And twist it around, twist it around, twist it around, twist it around. And we go right in there, my friends. Now you want to put more on it, and you go right ahead and you serve it more. But this is really delicate right there, friends. You see? Right there, let's turn this off. Take a little bit of Parmigiano Reggiano right at the end, just a little bit to make it more fancy. I know some of you are saying, that's not even to get me started. I don't blame you, friends. And look at this, you see? That's all you do. Right there, my friends. I promise you, I got to have some of it. I got to have some of it. This is the way I've been making it for the last 50 years. And I hope you try, friends, because I promise you, this is elegant, this is delicious, and it's such a perfect starter for a beautiful dinner. And you see how simple it was? A little bit of cream, the cheese, quality is important, and the pasta, by all means, try fresh pasta. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you make, oh, by the way, some people put garlic in it. Put garlic in it if you want. But I'd rather you put roasted garlic, much more mild of a flavor. Some people put parsley on it. Put parsley if it makes you happy. Do whatever you want. It's your plate. It's your food. I hope you enjoyed it. Remember, thumbs up if you like the video. Subscribe to the channel and ring that bell. We'll see you in the next couple of days with another fantastic video. Thanks for watching.